Hello children, today we will start the new chapter Lines and Angles for class 9. Lines and angles. So first of all you should know what it is a line. A straight one-dimensional figure that has no thickness and extends endlessly in both directions. That is known as line. So you can see over here, this is line L. Okay. Endlessly you can extend it. Okay, so then after that you will be having line segment, a line with two endpoints. It is known as line segment. Here you can see this is point A and this is point B. That is, it has two endpoints, so it is known as line segment. Then it is ray, a part of a line with one endpoint. So OA, it is a part of a line. So it has one endpoint. This is important. It has one endpoint. Okay. Now after this, come to angles. When two rays, now you can see this AB is one ray. It has one endpoint, and then AC, it is another ray. AS endpoint. Okay. Now when two rays originate from the same endpoint, this is the same endpoint A. Okay. From this point two rays are originating. Then an angle is formed. Now an angle is formed over here. Angle CAB. Okay. The rays making an angle are called the arms. So these are your arms. This AB and AC. Okay. So AB and AC are your arms. And the end point is called the vertex. And this is your end point. This A is known as your vertex. So you can say BAC is an angle. Okay. Now after this, we are having various types of angles. Now acute angle. What is an acute angle? An angle whose measure is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. So this is your ABC is an acute angle. That means your angle lies between 0 degree and x less than 90 degree. Means your angle lies between 0 and 90 degree. If it is x. Okay. Now right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. Okay. Now here you can see AOB. It is a right angle. For that you can say if it is x, then you can say if x is 90 degree, then it is an right angle. Now after this come to obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Now here you can see, if it is over here, this is your, up till here it will be 90 degree. Okay. So an angle which is greater than 90 degree. Okay. It is more than 90 degree. But less than 180. 180 will be up till here. Yes. So it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So it is known as obtuse angle. Or you can say like that, 90 degree, if this is x, then less than x, and it is, okay, it lies between 90 and 180 degree. Now after this, straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. That means this angle x, if x is your 180 degree, then it is a straight angle. Okay. Now after this, reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Here you can see angle AOB. This is your reflex angle. That is, if this is your x, then 180 degree, this, then x is this, then 360 degree. That means your angle lies between 180 and 360 degree. Now you can see up till here it will be 180 degree. Then and this whole is your 360 degree. So an angle which lies between 180 and 360 degree. So it is known as reflex angle. Now after this come to complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degree is called a complete angle. That means this x is total, this x is your 360 degree. Okay, or you can write like this, x is 360 degree. Thank you. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna.